Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. What has happened to the people in this generation? Why people are not thinking before taking any desperate action, before taking any wrong steps? Because whenever we think of anything wrong or we tend to take any wrong actions, any wrong steps, it is our inner conscious which warns us, which stops us, and reminds us that we should not take this action or we should not do anything wrong to anyone or we should not take any wrong decisions. So we have two conscious inside us. One is evil and the other is the good conscious. Our good consciousness helps us to take good decisions in life. Whenever the good wins over the evil, everything is good. But whenever the evil wins over the good, people are choosing the sound of their evil inner soul. They're neglecting their good voice of inner soul. People are ready to lose their peace by choosing the evil sound of their conscience. In today's noisy world, people are not able to hear their inner good conscious sound. We should listen to our kids. We should make them realize that what is humanity. We should listen to our child, what they want to say, what they want to tell us. Because they have a lot of things to tell and we don't have so much time to listen to them. We should include them in our household chores. We should make them work. We should make them do simple things for us. Whenever we don't feel well, whenever we are sick, we should ask our child to help us with a glass of water, help us with medicines. We as parents, we know that our children are very important. We as parents, we care about them. We as parents, we care. We as parents, we love. But our child will not understand if we think about them from inside, but we are not showing our love or we are not showing our care. The best way to show our love and care to our child is by giving them time. Sometimes we should ask our kids to give us a head massage whenever we have a headache. It's not that we are making them work, but it's that we are making that bond. We are able to create that bonding between us. Okay, it is very important because they should not think that they are alone. They should not hide things from their parents. They should at least be able to come and talk to us. Nowadays, children are not able to communicate well with their parents. They are not able to tell what they feel from inside. We as parents, we fail to understand the feelings, the emotions of our kids. We overhear them, we overlook them because we don't get so much time to spend with them. Spend as much time as you can with your kids. Make a connection with them. Make your bond more strong so that you can understand their feelings, you can understand their emotions, what they are going through, and they are also able to come and speak their heart. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके बच्चे आपको सब कुछ बोल ही ना पाए. We have to think about our kids first. Everything comes after that. Because whenever we overhear them, we overlook them, वो अपना ही एक world में जीते. They start creating their own world. They live in their own world where they become selfish and self-centered and they start feeling lonely. Today, most of the people are struggling with loneliness. So what happens is when they fall in love, when they love someone, they want their love at any cost because they develop an emotion of fear of losing. The person we love, we want to spend our whole life with that person. That is true. That is 100% true. But not at cost of anything. When a person actually comes to that emotion of fear of losing something, it can be fear of losing relationship, it can be fear of losing control, status, identity. हम अगर वैसे डरने लगे, if we come to the emotion of fear of losing, then it activates our deep survival instincts. हम डर से इतना घबरा जाते हैं, हम इतना fearful हो जाते हैं कि panic attack starts to come. हम panic करने लगते हैं. And that time our rational thoughts get stopped. हम सोच ही नहीं सकते तब कि क्या हमारे लिए सही है और क्या गलत है. We tend to take wrong decisions at that time. Just because the amygdala, it got triggered due to the fear of losing something. And as soon as rational thinking gets stopped, people tend to make mistakes, people tend to take wrong decisions in their life. It makes a person to take desperate steps and gets included in damaging behavior. So it is very important that we take care of our child, of our family members, if anyone is feeling lonely or if you know that you are not able to spend time with that person, जिन्हें आपकी ज़रूरत है, please start taking out some time and spend some time with that person so that no one has that fear of losing something in their life. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, शेयर विद द पर्सन हु नीड्स दिस, एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि आप क्या फील करते हैं.